Ever wonder how a simple pantry staple like baking soda could solve common health and household problems? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a real game changer. This humble ingredient, often relegated to baking and cooking, holds an array of surprising uses. From health to home, the versatility of baking soda is truly astounding. Today, we're about to delve into the lesser-known hacks of this fantastic compound. Brace yourselves, because you're about to be amazed. Stay tuned to uncover the magic of baking soda. Heartburn can be quite a nuisance, right? Well, baking soda might be the relief you need. Let's delve into how this works. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate as it's scientifically known, is a base substance. When you consume it, it neutralizes the acid in your stomach, effectively calming the fiery sensation of heartburn. Now here's how you can use it. Simply dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda into a full glass of water. Stir it well until it's fully dissolved, then drink it. Sounds simple enough, doesn't it? But here's the caveat. This is a temporary solution. It's not meant to be a regular remedy for persistent heartburn, and it's certainly not a replacement for medical advice if you're experiencing chronic symptoms. So the next time heartburn strikes, remember your humble baking soda. It's not just for baking, it might just be the quick fix you need to extinguish that unwelcome burn. Tired of artificial deodorants? Baking soda can be your natural alternative. This humble kitchen staple, known for its leavening properties, can also be your secret weapon against body odor. The magic lies in its ability to neutralize odors instead of just masking them. To use baking soda as a deodorant, it's as simple as patting some under your arms. But wait, before you start, it's important to remember that everyone's skin is different. Some people might be sensitive to baking soda, so a patch test is always a good idea. Just apply a small amount to your inner wrist and wait for about 24 hours. If there's no redness or irritation, you're good to go. So next time you're freshening up, reach for the baking soda. It's an easy, natural, and cost-effective way to combat body odor. Who knew combating body odor could be this simple and natural? Is cleaning your kitchen a daunting task? Baking soda can come to your rescue. You might think of baking soda as just an ingredient for baking, but it's far more versatile than that. One of its most practical uses is as a cleaning agent. It's non-toxic, inexpensive, and incredibly effective at removing grime and stains. Imagine you're faced with a dirty sink, bathtub, or tile. Instead of reaching for a harsh chemical cleaner, why not try baking soda? Simply sprinkle some onto a damp sponge and get to work. Scrub the surface gently, paying extra attention to any particularly stubborn spots. The baking soda's mild abrasive properties will help to lift the dirt away, leaving your surfaces spotless. But the magic of baking soda doesn't stop there. It's also great for cleaning kitchen appliances. Whether it's a grimy oven, a stained coffee pot, or a smelly fridge, baking soda can tackle it all. Just remember to rinse thoroughly after cleaning to remove any residual baking soda. What's more, baking soda is gentle on surfaces. Unlike many commercial cleaning products, it won't scratch or damage your surfaces, so you can use it confidently on everything from stainless steel to ceramic and even glass. With all these benefits, it's clear that baking soda is a cleaning powerhouse. So next time you're faced with a tough cleaning task, don't despair. Reach for the baking soda instead. With baking soda in your cleaning arsenal, no stain stands a chance. Want a simple and cost-effective beauty hack? Baking soda is your answer. This humble kitchen ingredient is a hidden beauty gem. Let's explore how you can use it as a facial scrub. It's simple, really. Just make a paste by combining 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water. Now, gently rub this mixture onto your skin in a circular motion. This little routine will help to exfoliate your skin, removing dead cells and leaving behind a fresh layer. Remember to rinse clean thoroughly after. Now, here's a word of caution. Baking soda is potent, so it's not for everyday use. But incorporating it into your beauty regimen once a week can bring a noticeable difference to your skin. It'll feel softer, look brighter, and possess a radiant glow. So for that radiant glow, don't forget to reach out for your baking soda. These are just a few ways baking soda can make your life easier, healthier, and more beautiful. Let's take a moment to reflect on the remarkable versatility of this humble kitchen staple. Baking soda, otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate, is not just for your favorite cookies or cakes. It's a multi-purpose powerhouse ready to tackle health and home challenges with ease. Remember how baking soda can alleviate heartburn? That's right, a quick fix for those unpleasant moments, providing relief by neutralizing stomach acid. But remember, it's not a long-term solution. If heartburn persists, it's essential to seek medical advice. And let's not forget its role as a natural deodorant. Baking soda can help you stay fresh and odor-free by absorbing excess moisture and neutralizing body odor. But always remember to do a patch test first, as it could cause irritation for some skin types. Then we discussed how baking soda can clean just about anything in your home. It's a safe, non-toxic, and effective cleaning agent that's tough on dirt and grime, but gentle on the environment. But keep in mind, it's abrasive, so avoid using it on delicate surfaces. And who could forget the beauty-enhancing benefits of baking soda? It can be used as a mild exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and revealing a brighter complexion. But remember, less is more. Overuse can dry out your skin, so always follow up with a moisturizer. In wrapping up, it's crucial to remember that while baking soda is a versatile and handy tool, it's not a magic bullet. It's always wise to use these hacks in moderation and in conjunction with professional advice, especially when it comes to health-related matters. So the next time you're in your kitchen and your gaze falls on that unassuming box of baking soda on the shelf, remember, it's not just for baking. It's a powerhouse of solutions. Next time you see that unassuming box of baking soda on your shelf, remember, it's not just for baking. It's a powerhouse of solutions.